I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So if I open this place command prompt, and now if I write there Codex, then you can see Codex is not recognized as an internal or external command. And if I try to this place or node -v, so 25% that install npm -v. So this here 11 version that install. Now let's use the CLS. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install the codex. So for this one in Google search box write there Codex CLI. Then go on this OpenAI for developer. This you need to go. Thereafter scroll down here install with npm. You need to copy and paste it there. Press enter. So added two packages in 2 seconds. Now if I write this place codex, so this that's come there. Now let's write y1 and here press enter. Then this place so here you can see. So GDP 5.4 default. If I write there hi, so this is not working. Now let's write there use their model. So what exactly 5.4 that's currently using? Let's use their first option default medium. Now writing this high. Again the same problem. So let's skip their model or this third option medium. Let's skip their high. Now this is working. So this is working. Now you can ask any question or query inside there. So how to find largest file in PC? This is my query. So you have this come there. You can use this or get child item this and sort length or by descending select object first 20 full length. So by using this and here you can also use this one. Okay, and now you can ask any other question. How to add four numbers in C#. So again, I'm using four numbers in C# without using plus. So without using plus. Now you can use this bitwise operator here without any plus. So like this, you can ask any question there. Now here I'm going to write the end. So let's use their exit. If you want to close the session, just or you can just stop here. Now let's close this one. Now if you try to open the command prompt, write there codex. Then you can start using the codex there. 5.2 or this model, and you can change this here. If I write model, from here you can select the version. So this is how we can install and use Codex CLI in Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.